Hello guys, what's up and welcome you back again to my channel. Yeah, if this is the first time of seeing my very beautiful face, please do want to subscribe and join my amazing fam. Guys, let me on my mic. I don't know if you guys will be seeing me or hearing my voice properly, so let me use mic and do this video. Bring the phone. My clip. So guys, my order is here. If you watch my last video, I told you guys I'm expecting something from Jumia. So this is my package from Jumia. Yes. Yes, so this Easter period there. They said fragile. The video is fragile. So that means it's breakable. So that's very, very careful. This is not my first time of ordering from Jumia, guys. I've ordered so many things from them. My tripod stand, my mic. This my mic is from Jumia, guys. I've ordered a lot of things from them. So I believe that they are going to give me what I ordered. But in case it's otherwise, I will return it. But why this I bet medicine there exactly. One thing with them, as you are removing it, remove it properly, because if you scatter anything, they might not collect it. That is why I'm taking my time to remove it. How they make up somebody? No, take my time to remove it, guys, so I will not get story that touch the hearts. So guys, I've unboxed this. So first, this is a receipt. I mistakenly called this piece. I just hope they gave me what I ordered. But that's why I'm taking my time to look at it. So this is obviously envelope for my name, or yes, Obvious Word. That's my name. Obvious Word. Hope you guys are seeing it. Obvious Word. So I use my YouTube name to, to order it. In fact, Jumia, I'm their customer. It's already time for them to give me my award. So now let us start unpacking. Let's start.
So wide, chasing dreams we've yet to find. Every heartbeat, every stride, with each new step, our stars align. Path unknown, we carve our way through shadowed nights and golden days. Every challenge, every climb, a moment frozen in our time. Obvious world, we rise and run underneath the boundless sun. Through the whispers, through the fight, we turn the darkness into light.
Okay. I'm going to check your body. You can't wire call. Why I did it? Yes, so
no, let's stand.
Which of the stand? Okay. In property. Bring her out now, myself. I'm too hot. Okay. What do you do? People go every day do, and I go concert them. Wow. So now glass, so carefully. So everything is here. So you guys are seeing. It's a 2-burner gas cooker, also English with Japanese. This one now for the cook for Papa now. We no go to waste time. We put Papa one for here. Put our one for here. No, be that I'm going to eat by 11 in the morning. So I'll be so fast. No, it's fine. See, Which of the old papa? This one we will connect it. It's the gas that will connect to this one. This gas, they'll come out that head. They'll put pipe for there. Connect them to this one back. Okay.
But I think I've seen a big one they use.
No, they use this one too. You connect them. Okay. This one is what we order, but is what we got. Now the person who go set on, I go tell us. Let's reduce that volume for me, please. So guys, this is our package. You see here? I say this cat I go blast say you know they okay. Let them know I go put them. This will be fine. I need a carry setter of the pipe.
Waking up to sky so wide, chasing dreams we've yet to find. Every heartbeat, every stride, with each new step, our stars align. Path unknown, we carve our way through shadowed nights and golden days. Every challenge.
This is another package that we have gotten, okay? This one is the board, children board. So they'll be using it in the church. So we order for this, I'll be using it for during the children harvest. We're going to be using some for our Thanksgiving, okay? You know this white board now. What do they call them? Marker board. So we have it. As I was actually expecting the one that has a seat. Has a seat. I will place in the picture for you guys. But when I saw this one, I did not see seat though. I didn't see seat, but I don't want to return it back. I don't want to return it because it's going to take a long process. So that's why I'll just use like that. I'll only construct the stick for it. I'll construct. I told him that it's coming with 6 marker. This is the marker, 6 marker, and the eraser is there. So that was what they told me, and this is it. It is shown, right? So this is it, and this is the board. So what I want to do I want to just open one small side to see that it's a white board. I'm not using everything.
This board I don't want to hang for wall. They get
for wall, not this one. But the one I see for picture, the one we say get leg. You put them for leg. And that one I click.
I white the board videos and that's white there.
Nine. Okay. So guys, this is our unboxing. Yeah. So I'm not using everything now. I didn't use some for Thanksgiving, so let me pack it. Since that day, I'm going to use this when we're using this in the church. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. And if you watch up to this time, please like this video for me and also subscribe. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe if you have not, and drop your lovely comment. What do you think about this buying? What do you think about this buying? Have you ever shopped on Jumia? If you have not, drop in the comment section. And if you want to shop in Jumia, I don't know how to go about it, also drop in the comment section. Okay, I'll be giving you details how to do this thing, but this is not my first time of ordering from them. Okay, so this is an easy buy. This is a very good buy for me. It's easy, it's good buy. I don't regret this my buying from Jumia this time around. It's very good. I like it. Okay, I like it. Anyway guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Still remain your baby girl Obi, and this is Obi, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop your lovely comment. Talk to you guys later. Bye.